Hi, I'm Randy with Moon Crater Coffee. Today, we're making Aeropress. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. For this one, I'm using our Cielo medium roast. So the Aeropress, super simple, super clever brewer. So the traditional method is just you would pull the plunger out all the way, put your coffee, your filter and everything in and start pouring water. So what happens when you do that is some of the coffee starts to drip through, and I don't think this gets fully extracted. So we're going to start off with our pro tip, which is to invert your brewer. So for this one, I'm using a pretty fine grind. As you can see here, I'm using a ratio of 1:16, so 13 grams of coffee to 200 grams of water. Once your coffee's in, you do want to give this puppy a little shake to level it out. So for water, I'm using water about 210 degrees, hair under boiling. So this is a pretty fast method. So I'm really trying to optimize the time that it takes to brew this one. So you want to rotate the column a little bit as you're pouring water, make sure everything gets saturated. And then, once you have your water in, give it a really quick stir. And then you want to let it steep for 1 minute. So while that's marinating, go ahead and place your filter. I rinse it. This step is not necessary, but it helps it stay in place. I like to do it, so why not? So at the end of your minute timer, you're going to give this a serious stir just to help agitate it. And like I said, we're trying to optimize the time here and make this a quick and efficient brew. Then you want to go ahead and attach the end cap with filter. And then at this part, you do want to be pretty careful. Place your cup, hold the entire column carefully, and flip. Usually I give it a small swirl just to make sure there's not coffee stuck to the sides, and you want to press slowly. Usually it takes just a bit under a minute. So it seems kind of complicated, it seems like a lot of steps, but once you've done it a couple times, it makes sense. So once you've pressed through all the way to the bottom, set your brewer off to the side, and you're done. There's your Aeropress coffee.